Hello everyone. Today I welcome you all to my another video session wherein we will be learning a new technology named as Power Automate. So before we start our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let us start our session for the day. So in this session, you will see how to download the Power Automate for desktop software. So in order to download the Power Automate for desktop, you need to open the browser, and in the browser you need to write Power Automate desktop download. So once you type in this text, then the next step that you need to do is to hit enter. So once you press enter, you need to scroll down and then click on this link that is install Power Automate Power Automate. So click on this link. So once you click on this link, a new tab will be opened. And once the new tab is opened, you need to just scroll down a bit and then click on this download the Power Automate installer. So once you click on this download the Power Automate installer, the installer file will start to download on the system. So once the setup or once the installer file is downloaded successfully, then you need to click on this exe file which is downloaded. So let us just wait for few seconds in order to so that the Power Automate exe file gets downloaded. So once this exe file is downloaded, you need to click on this open file. So once you click on this open file, so once we click on the open file, a new window will be opened or the Power Automate installer wizard will be opened. So over here, so you can see once we click on open file, so this tab is opened. So just now you need to click on the next button. So once you click on the next button, the next step is to give the path where you want to install the Power Automate. So I will install it on the desktop. And then over here, you just need to click on this checkbox, that is by selecting install, you agree to Microsoft's term of use. So click on this checkbox. And then once you click on this checkbox, the install button will be enabled. And then you need to click on this install button. So once you click on the install button, you need to click over here. You need to click over here as yes in allow this app to make changes to your device. So once you click on this, the Power Automate for desktop will start to install. So let us wait for this Power Automate to install and then we will come back. So once the setup is installed successfully, we will receive the message as installation is successful in this window. So before we launch the Power Automate for desktop application, we need to enable the extension. So by enabling this extension, you will be able to perform or you will be able to automate the web applications. So in order to enable the extension, you have to click on the browsers which are shown over here. So in my case, I just have only Microsoft Edge as the browser. But in your case, if you have other browsers on your system, it will be shown over here. So I will click on this Microsoft Edge. So once you click on this Microsoft Edge, you will be taken to the extension page. And over here, you need to click on this Get button. So once you click on this Get button, you will a dialog box will appear where you need to click on this Add Extension button. So once you click on Add Extension button, the extension will be added. So the extension has been added successfully to our in the Microsoft Edge. So now you can automate web applications using Power Automate for desktop. So now the next thing after enabling the extension is we will launch the application. So in order to launch the application, you need to click on this launch app. So once you click on this launch app, the Power Automate for desktop will be opened. So let us wait for Power Automate for desktop to open. So this is how the home screen or the home page of Power Automate for desktop looks like once the application is launched. So now you are all set for automation journey with Microsoft Power Automate for desktop, and in the upcoming sessions or in the upcoming videos you will see how to automate various applications using Microsoft Power Automate for desktop. So with that, we have come to the end of our video session wherein we saw how to install Microsoft Power Automate for desktop on your system. So if you have any queries regarding this video, then you can raise your queries in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer all your queries. So before we wind up our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. Thank you all and have a great day.